Hello friends, and welcome to a special edition of the Plastic Imagination Workshop. Today I'm going to share some shop cards I recently received in the mail, and also give you an update on a couple of the vintage kits that I did a video about a couple weeks ago. I will put a link to that video down in the description if you want to go check it out. So first we'll get into the shop cards. Okay, before I get to the first shop card, I just want to say, if you have requested a shop card from me and you haven't received it yet, let me know. Apparently, my cards may or may not make it to their destination, so if you haven't received one yet, let me know and I'll get another one out to you right away. Okay, on to the shop cards. Okay, the first shop card is from Dan over at 60s Rule. I love this card and I just love this van he has on here and the vintage stuff on the card. Great card, Dan. Dan's got a great channel, so get over there, say hi, and give him a sub. All right, the next card is from Rick over at Down the Throat Modeling. Rick has a great card here. He's got some really awesome builds. Rick is a very interesting guy. I love listening to his additional information that he gives in a lot of his videos. If you haven't checked out his channel, please go check it out and say hi and give him a sub. A lot of times when he'll do a video on a build or something, he'll say, okay, I'm going to talk about some historical information, so if you want to stop now, you can, but I never stop. I always listen to it because I love getting that information and it's super interesting to me, and I just really appreciate that he does that. So great job over there. Keep up the good work. Okay, and our next card, we've all seen this one making the rounds. This is from Rob over at Time Machine Scale Models. Love this card, love the design, love the Chevy on there. It's a great looking card. He's got a great channel, really interesting stuff, nice builds over there. If you haven't checked out Time Machine Scale Models, please go say hi and give him a sub. All right, and finally today we have the shop card from Jared B Models. This is a gorgeous card and a gorgeous bike on the front of that. Really nice. Jared's a great guy. Love watching his channel. So if you haven't checked him out yet, go head over there, say hi to Jared, and give him a sub. And also, I just want to say, the reason we do this, or the reason why I do this, is to involve other people in the hobby and to hopefully grow the hobby and to encourage people to get into the hobby who haven't been in the hobby before. I know a lot of my viewers are non-builders. They just like watching the channel and seeing me build and seeing the models. And that's great. And there's nothing wrong with that. However, we do want to build interest in the hobby so it keeps growing. So make sure you support all of the small YouTube channels and all the big ones. So that's it for the shop cards today. Now on to an update. Okay, so a couple weeks back, I did a video on some vintage kits I received from my brother-in-law. One of those kits, the John Deere 310, which is brand new, still in plastic, a good friend of mine from way back when, probably 6th grade, he's actually more of a brother than just a friend, messaged me and said, wow, I really want that John Deere tractor. So you know what? Jeff is starting to get back into the model building thing as well, and I want to encourage him and keep him going, so I'm going to send him that model kit. First, I am going to do an unboxing and a review of the kit, and then after that, I'll package it up and send it out to Jeff. So Jeff, keep an eye out, you'll be getting a package from me. Also, one of the other kits I had new in box was the Gullio's balsa wood Spitfire. For that kit, I was watching another YouTuber, Max's Models, and by the way, if you haven't checked out Max's Models, be sure to go check it out. Great channel, great guy. But as I was watching one of his videos, I noticed in the background he had a balsa wood model airplane. So being that this kit is brand new, still in box, hasn't been opened, still got the plastic on it, I thought I want this to go to a good home. Max will take care of that kit. So I boxed it up and sent it over to Max, and he really appreciated getting that. So you're welcome, Max. And again, if you haven't checked out Max's Models, I'll link it below. Go check it out. Okay, that's going to do it for this quick video. I appreciate you guys stopping by. I appreciate all the subs, old and new. And if you haven't already, please click that subscribe button down below. It really helps out the channel. Also give it a thumbs up or a thumbs down. I don't care. Either way, it's good for the channel. And if you want to get notified when I upload new content, click the little bell icon. So, as always, everyone be safe out there and go build something.